Kenzo extra hot forex. So it's Friday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ and US30. So today I will just start with US30. So we having the crazy moves this week and even last week. So I just want to show you what can we expect from this, but what affects the market at the moment, it's treasury yield and bonds and stuff. So many things affect our tech stock, especially NASDAQ 100. But our analysis here shows us that we are on a very nice support. I can't say it's a very strong support, but it's a nice support here. You can see that this is a trendy. You can see that the market is trending. So you can also draw maybe resistance like this, but they all make sense that this thing was just trending. Here it was just ranging, it touched the support, pushed up. Even here you can see it pushed up around this support. It means we are on a very nice trend line, but you should be careful because the yield is going crazy, so everything is not stable at the moment. But you see stuff something like this. Sorry, here I think we had something seems to be our resistance at the moment. So let's go to a smaller time frame and see exactly what we can say about this. You can see when you go to a smaller time frame, these things really make sense. So you can see that the market here was respected this point. You can see here, even if the market did not reach this point, but this zone, the market was respecting this points here, this area. Even here you can see that at the moment we can even say that the market is about to buy, but it's before the market opens. So to be safe is to relax because you can even see here we have these things, this resistance here. So it seems like the market is also rejecting at that point. You can see here. So for you to buy, I can just say let's go to a very smaller time frame. This is also an area to a smaller time frame where we can say if maybe the market pushes up, we can have a nice buy. But if we have a breakout here, we will wait for a retest before it can shoot lower. You see? So let's go to a very small time frame and see what we can expect from this point if you want to buy or if you want to sell. So to a smaller time frame, we're going to draw our usual trends line because they do work. They are not 100%, but they really do work. So here you're going to draw something like this. You can see they make sense. So for us to buy, it means that this market has to break this. Sorry, this has to be broken. This resistance here has to broken. The market has to close above here. Then we can say we're going to buy. You see? But if the market just create a fake retest and come back here, it means we will be looking for the market to come here, retest before we can say we're going to sell. I hope maybe you understand that. So guys, I also have a trading group. It's $15 to join me. At the moment it's US30 and US NASDAQ 100 is only $15 to join. I also have a news trading. We trading only the spikes. That group is very cheap because it's only $10 to join me. So I don't want to charge anyone a lot of money while I also make money. So the best way is to just give you stuff. Unfortunately, not so that free because it's also my time. You see. So here you can see what I was talking about. Let let's wait for this to close, then we can say we can buy because we had the same thing here. The market tried to push up, but if you bought here, the market just went down. If you bought somewhere here, the market just pushed down. Even here, let's just wait for this one to close, then we can say we can have a nice buy. You see? So let's go straight to NASDAQ 100 and see what can happen from there. But this one I think is pushing higher. Let's see. NASDAQ. Okay. On NASDAQ here, everything was just pushing lower, but I think the market now is recovering. So let's see. It seems like, let's see. I think the market retested from this resistance and now it's buying. So I will zoom, don't worry. Yeah, you see that? You see this point? It's a very strong support. You can see that even here the market just bouncing back from there. So let's say, so I hope you can see here it's a very strong support. I think even here the next NASDAQ will just push higher, but you should be careful when you place your orders because anything can happen. But at the moment we think that the market will just push higher. Be careful when you place your orders. So let's go and see what's really happening so that we don't mess things around. Okay, we are here actually. We are here. So for us to be safe, I can say this is a very bullish candlestick that is confirming the rejection. So we can buy from this point and the market will just go higher. But apply your risk management because everything can happen from that point. So I did a analysis yesterday. If maybe you did not check that, go and check that and you will understand what I'm talking about, because yesterday the market was very high, so the market was just crashing. But at the moment, because you can see, I want to show you something very quickly. The market was just going higher, but after that we having this sell-off. So it means when you place your orders, you should also think about this area here, because the market can just come here and push down again. So if maybe you placed your buy here, it means you'll also think about this area. You can just lock your profit and see if maybe it will break this resistance from this point. Then you can say you're going to buy. So sorry, I'll just post the video. Sorry about that call. So you can see if maybe you have your buy here, it means that you will also think about this resistance. Let me draw it nicely, then you can see. You can, even if maybe you change it and make sure that it touches, yeah, something like this, so that it touches this resistance, support. You can see then we broke this support here. Then just because the market is going up at the moment, it means that you should also think about this support, because it was a bit stronger just because we have the treasury yield going up and down. So it means that that's why the market just sold off. So it means that if you reach this point, just lock your profit somewhere there, if because there's possibility that the market can just come here and push lower. But if we lucky, the market can break this and go higher. It's much possible. We know that how NASDAQ works, but we should also think about that. And don't forget to leave your support here so that you see it next time. It's very strong. Even if the market is going higher, you should think about that, right? So I think we're cool. So there's possibility that at the moment it's going up, then maybe it will reach this point, but you should be careful because it's pre-market at the moment, so anything can happen. So, and it's Friday, you should be safe. If maybe you feel like not trading, don't force yourself, wait for Monday and see what's really happening. But maybe on Monday we might have a gap. You might find the market around here. It's very possible. So the best thing is to lock your profits. You should think about that. Please, if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. You can also like, so that we can help so many people who really need the daily updates. You see, if you want signals, I have a group. It's $15 only. You can just talk to me on my description. There's contacts on my description. You can just WhatsApp me or talk to me on Telegram. Then I can assist. Also, news trading, it's back. The news are very volatile at the moment, so we're trading the news again. So to join that group, it's only $10. Please let me know if you need some assistance. I can also help. Thank you. Bye. It's Kenzo.